see the American video.
Say it again.
You're about to see the American funniest video of Christian Ladder.
Doing what?
Jumping the stairs.
Jumping the stairs with his bike. Okay, Christian Ladder. Are you pumped up? I don't see you pumped up. Show me what you got. Alright. We gotta get the camera in position.
You gotta go.
Hold on. Wait.
Go.
Okay. He's in position. But we're gonna have a little commentary because right now, this is what he's gotta go off of. He's gotta fly off of this into the grass. It's the ladder. Are you ready? Huh? Okay. We want no hospital visits.
I'll try.
No hospital visits. Alright, now we're in position.
Go.
Y'all gotta do him a song.
Go, Christian Ladder. Go, Christian Ladder.
Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Yeah.
And he made it.
Do it one more time. Better do it one more time.
He's still in one piece.
No, I'm in one piece.
Yay!